Every inch of you is perfect from the bottom to the top. Yeah, my mama, she told me don't worry about the size. She says boys like that pudding, oh, to hold it nice. You know I won't be no sick figure silicone Barbie doll. So if that's what you're into, then go ahead and move along. Because you know I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. Have to pay that fine. You've been dodging all the time. Are you still dizzy? Yeah, yeah. Oh, but since I've come on home, well, my body's been a mess. And I miss your ginger hair and the way you like to dress. Won't you come on over? Stop making a fool out of me. Why don't you come on over, Valerie? Valerie, Valerie, oh Valerie. Now there's one in California that's been cursing my name, but I found me a better lover in the UK. Till I made my getaway. 1, 2, 3, they're gonna run back to me. I'm the best baby that they never got to keep. 1, 2, 3, they're gonna run back to me. They always wanna come, but they never wanna leave. In the oh, they want me. I like the girls, they want me to make them all they want. Let go, it's as if we only got this life, this adventure over now. If we only got this life, get me through. And if we only got this life, and this adventure over now, I wanna share it with you, with you, with you. Oh yes I do. Here's why. Because I'm happy to belong. If you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy to belong. If you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy to belong. If you know what happiness is to you. Yeah, yeah. Not belong. If you feel like that's what you want to do. Alright, alright. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, 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 yeah, yeah. Now, wait a minute. I feel alright. You've been so good to me. I said you've been so good to me. You know you make me wanna shout, lift my heels up and throw my